Definition of personality. 1. Personality refers to those characteristics of the person that account for consistent patterns of feelings, thinking, and behaving. Pervin, Servon, and John, 2005, page 6. 2. Alport, 1961, stated that personality is the dynamic organization within the individual of those psycho-physical systems that determine his characteristic, behavior, and thought.
3. Personality is the set of psychological traits and mechanisms within the individuals that are organized and relative enduring and that influence his or her interaction with and adaptation to the intrinsically, physical, and social environments. Larson and Bass, 2005, p. 4. 4. Vander, 2016. Impartially causal formulation, contents, and personality refers to a person's characteristic patterns of thought, emotion, or not behind this behavior, together with the psychological mechanism within patterns. 5. Personality is the organized developing system within the individuals that represents the collective action of this individual's major psychological subsystem. Mayer, 2007, p. 14.
Well, I will explain about personality types. 1. Sanguinis, the characteristic of fast, careful, and stable, caused by the influence of the blood process. 2. Choleric, characteristic of irritability, caused by a yellow bile process. Melancholy, characteristic of being pessimistic, gloomy, caused by the influence of the black bile process. 3. Phlegmatic, the characteristics are slow, not easily moved, caused by the influence of the Linder process.
The concept of extrovert and introvert personality according to Eisen. Extrovert types are individuals with the type that is classified as friendly, like to hang out, like party, has lots of friends, always needs other people to talk to, and lacks all form of cooperation. They often take opportunity that come their way, often show themselves off, and often act without thinking beforehand. In general, including exclusive individuals, extroverts like jokes, they are quick to answer questions that are addressed and like chance. Meanwhile, the introvert type is a trait that is the opposite of an extrovert. Introverts tend to have characteristics, namely, they don't talk much, are shy, introspective, like reading rather than hanging out with other people. They tend to keep their distance, stay from their close friends, have a plan before doing something, and don't believe in coincidence. They also dislike crowds and always think about daily problems seriously and like order in life.
Well, I will explain about cause of bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder occurs due to increased influence as well as excessive activity, mania or hypomania, and at different times a decrease in mood is followed by a decrease in energy and a decrease in activity, depression. Rasdian, 2003.
Bipolar occurs biological in the form of disturbance in brain neurotransmitters that function to maintain balance, genetic factors that function as interrelated genes, while activity in everyday life in the environment are factors from a psychosocial perspective that usually precede the initial bipolar episode. Barbara D. Ingersoll, Ph.D. and Sam Goldstein, 1993. Bipolar occurs biological in the form of disturbance in brain neurotransmitters that function to maintain balance, genetic factors that function as interrelated genes, while activity in everyday life in the environment are factors from a psychosocial perspective that usually precedes the initial bipolar episode. Barbara D. Ingersoll, Ph.D. and Sam Goldstein, 1993. Well, I will explain about symptoms of bipolar disturbance. People with bipolar disorder experience an unusual increase in emotional state that occur under different conditions called mood episode. A state of being overly excited is called a manic episode, and being very sad and hopeless is called a depressive episode. Sometimes, episodes of mood disorders include symptoms of both mania and depression. This is called the manic state. People with bipolar disorder may also be explosive and irritable during a mood episode. Sharp changes in energy, activity, sleep, and behavior coincide with this change in mood. Sometimes the symptoms are so severe that the person is unable to function normally at home, at school, or at work. In addition to mania and depression, bipolar disorder can cause a wide range of mood disorder. Well, I will explain about bipolar disorder management. Aggressive therapy is essential for disorder this because if it does not get immediate treatment that's right, the distraction becomes more severe. Currently, the main therapy for bipolar disorder is pharmacotherapy, education, psychotherapy, and electroconvulsive therapy, ECT. Education and psychotherapy can reduce recurrence, while ECT, effective in episodes of mania and depression as well, indicate when pharmacotherapy is confiscated or required rapid response to depressive episode bipolar patient. Mood stabilizers are first-line therapy. Although until now there is no single cure, US FDA approved as a mood stabilizer. Almost all patients require mood stabilizer to cope with the mood episode that occur, and most require more than one type of mood stabilizer. Several types of drugs are classified by clinicians as stabilizers. The mood is lithium, valproate, carbamazepine, lamotrigine, and antipsychotics, amid Tarifer until Tari 7. According to Tantina, apart from medicine, a way of recovery, bipolar sufferers also go through strengthening therapy their mindset in the right direction. Final destination of this therapy is so that sufferers can understand and accept the state of themselves and avoid things that can dangerous yourself alone. In addition, people with bipolar disorder should to require at least someone who accompany him.
Conclusion: personality can be understood from several opinions of experts, including the opinion of Vander 2016, argues that personality refers to the thought patterns, emotions, and or not the characteristic of a person behind this behavior, along with psychological mechanisms, hidden patterns. There are only 4 personality types, but describing a person's personality is not only fixated on one, but there is also the concept of extrovert and introvert personality according to Eysenck. One of personality disorder is bipolar. The cause of bipolar disorder is uncertain. Can occur due to various factors such as genetic and psychosocial. People with bipolar disorder experience unusual emotional elevation that occur under different conditions called mood episodes. Aggressive therapy is very important for this disorder because if it is not treated immediately, the disorder will get worse.